Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on these adorable designs that are perfect for celebrating that special mom to be. Anytime I need to make sure a design stays straight, I always sketch out a line with an edible marker. It's amazing how much help it is to have that little guide on your cookie. All of the icing I use for my detail work throughout this video is piping consistency. For more information on icing consistencies, check out the video I've linked in the upper right corner. Once the icing has fully dried, you can paint with gold luster dust mixed with Everclear, vodka, or any flavored extracts. If you use an alcohol, the alcohol will fully evaporate and leave only the gold dust behind. All of the icing I use to flood is 20-second consistency, which is perfect for outlining and flooding at the same time. This is called a basket weave technique, and I love how intricate it looks when it's finished. It definitely takes a little bit of time, but the end result is so pretty. This is called a brush embroidery technique, and I'm using a food-safe brush barely wet with water and brushing the icing inward, which gives a ruffled effect. Let me know if you guys prefer videos like this where I show a whole set of cookies without going into a lot of detail and you're mainly just watching me decorate, or if you'd rather I do one design or technique per video at more of like a real-time speed and talk through what I'm doing more. I would love to get a feel for what's more helpful or more enjoyable for you guys. Alright you guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. It really helps my channel out and it means so much to me. Also, if you're not already, I'd love for you to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you get notified of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.